There's something you feel. Not always, not now, but in those moments when the world goes quiet, when the masks fall, when you're alone with that truth you dare not name, that presence. It is neither pain nor fear. It's older than that, deeper. It lives in that space between your ribs, where your breath shortens when you think about who you could truly become. You called it your darkness. You ran from it, denied it, buried it under years of conformity, forced smiles, and "I must stay positive." But it never moved. It waits, patient, constant. What if what you call your darkness isn't your enemy, but your only true guide? The world trained you to lie, not just to others, to yourself. It taught you the choreography of normality, to smile when you're burning, to nod when you want to scream, to say thank you when you want to walk away. But your shadow, it doesn't play that comedy. It cannot lie. It doesn't pretend. When the day ends, when the door closes, when silence fills your space, it still whispers. It knows your true desires, the ones you never dared admit. It guards that rage you've polished until it became invisible, that hunger you've domesticated until you forgot it, that power you've fragmented for fear of being too much. Your shadow is not here to haunt you. It's here to complete you, to remind you who you were before the world taught you to be small. You don't need the courage of light. The courage of light belongs to movie heroes, suit-wearing motivators, and Instagram smiles. It's surface courage, courage for appearances. No, what you need is the boldness to enter your own darkness, to descend into that mental basement where you stored everything you didn't want to see. Your anger, your pride, your refusal to kneel to a world that demands submission. You think by burying these parts of yourself, you eliminate them. You're wrong. You're only refusing your potential. You're mutilating yourself out of politeness. It's time to become the heretic of your own existence, the one who refuses unwritten commandments, the one who no longer shrinks to reassure others, the one who stops apologizing for existing fully. This is no longer about healing. It's about mutating, not into an angel, into a force. You seek to improve, to become better, to add qualities to your personality like ornaments on a Christmas tree. But you're going the wrong way. You have nothing to add to who you are. You must unearth what you've buried, reassemble what you've fragmented, retrieve what you've abandoned along the path. Every failure you carry like shame is a code. Every moment you said no to your deeper nature is a fragment of an ancient weapon. Every time you chose safety over truth is a piece of your true power's puzzle. Your shadow isn't a flaw to fix, it's an artifact to unearth. A relic of who you were meant to become before fear taught you smallness. You are not lost, you are incomplete, and that difference changes everything. Clarity only offers the illusion of safety, that reassuring light showing the marked path, the established rules, the acceptable boundaries. But power, true power, is not found in clarity. It lies in the mental night, in those moments where you no longer know who you are, where your certainties crumble, where you face your inner monsters. The moments you flee are your moments of truth. Those who truly shine, those who transform the world, those who refuse to conform, were not born luminous. They crossed their abysses. They embraced their shadows. They stopped fighting themselves, and they came back, awakened, whole, untamable. You must not fight your shadow. You must marry it. Make peace with the part of you that refuses to lie, to compromise, to be wise when wisdom means self-betrayal. And when you do, when you end this inner civil war, the world will have no hold on you. You will have become something else, something it cannot understand nor control. Prometheus returns, not as teaching, as infection, as a virus of lucidity spreading in minds ready to mutate. Your shadow does not seek to destroy you, it seeks to crown you, to make you what you never dared become, to reveal the truth you've always carried but never had the courage to face. Each video is a ritual, each silence, a key. Each word, one more step toward your own coronation. You know what you came here for, and you know where to find it. In the darkness of your truth, in the shadow of your greatness, in the depths of your power. Join the ritual, or return to the hollow light. The choice, as always, is yours.